Hey everyone, welcome to TesterHub. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our app, showing you how to find any app in our queue, jump ahead with priority, and keep your testing line moving smoothly. Right when you open the app, you land on home. At the very top is the search bar. Just type in any app name and you'll jump straight to its queue, even if there are dozens of people ahead. Below that, you'll see priority apps. These are uploads from folks who decided to fast-track their testing. They get a shiny badge and earn double points for every review completer for testers here. And then there's the main feed. New apps roll in FIFO style, 10 at a time, so things never get stale and the testing line actually moves. Next up is your dashboard. Think of it as mission control. Right at the top is earned free points, where you can rack up to 75 points every single day just by checking in. Below that, you'll find Promote App. Here you can sign into Reddit, craft a post, or use our template, and blast it to multiple subreddits in one click. After your post goes live, we'll prompt you to share the link via social media or SMS. The goal? More eyes on your app, so you can hit that all-important 15 tester mark. Going back to dashboard, if you scroll down a bit and you've got my apps, your published titles, completed tests, and any apps you've contributed to. Next is purchases, where you can buy extra upload slots or grab that priority status to skip the line. Then there's my tasks, which shows the pools you've joined and the tests you're currently running. Finally, don't miss join our community. Make sure to add our Google group to your closed testing on Google Play. This is so testers in our platform can use your app. All right, now let's move on to uploading your app. Before you upload your app profile, make sure you've joined at least 5 testing pools. We call it paying it forward because every tester helps everyone get feedback faster. We actually highly encourage you to join 10 pools if you can, but 5 is the minimum to get the queue rolling. Once that's set, tap Upload Profile. Fill in your app name, icon, store link, and a snappy tagline. Hit Submit, and voila! You'll instantly see your queue number pop up in your dashboard. As existing pools fill up, apps move out, and fresh ones appear. So the more pools you join, the quicker your turn comes around. Let's keep this line moving together. Finally, head into Settings. This is where you'll find support and feedback if you ever need help, and the delete account option if you decide to move on. Everything you need is right here. TesterHub was built with Google Play policy in mind. We track each tester's usage of the app under test and verify task completion. Miss a task and your tester rating drops, limiting future participation. Ready to get your app production ready? Download TesterHub on Google Play. Join a few testing pools, complete your tasks, and watch your app move into production. Let's make it happen. Until next time, and thank you for watching.